Welcome to HP Victus Gaming Laptop 15, FA 2013 DX BIOS hardware troubleshooting and component testing tutorial video. Now switch on the laptop and go to BIOS mode, press F10 BIOS setup. Now disable secure boot option, go to exit. Then save changes and exit. Yes to save changes and exit. Now your system will restart, press F2 System Diagnostics. Here you see system information, symptom tests, and etc. Let's go to System Information option, HP PC Hardware Diagnostics UEFI, version 10.6.0.0. Click on System. Here you will see system information. Likewise you can see all hardware components information: processor, memory, storage, battery, fan status. Now let's go to Symptom Tests option. Here will be see many options of common issues and symptoms. Please select or identify the symptom number or symbol you are experiencing. Here you can select multiple options or 1 to 8. Once you select 1 to 8 options, all common issues and symptoms will be start performing test. Click like and subscribe button to unlock future content. Now let's test number 7 hard disk/SSD drive issue, disk not detected, 3F0 error, OS not found, etc. Click on Run Once button to begin testing process. This component testing will take few minutes. Component test passed. These results are saved in the test logs, which can be accessed from the main menu. Select Home button to go back to main menu. You can collect the system diagnostics log by going to main menu, test logs, save logs. Now let's test option number 4, boot related issue, black screen with error message, flashing cursor. Click OK, then press button Run Once to begin the testing process. Memory fast test in process. This testing process will take few minutes. Test completed. Processor check, passed. Memory fast test, passed. Tested 31.5 GB. Hard drive/SSD smart check, passed. SSD where check, passed. HDD/SSD1, SSD SK Hynix PC801 HPS001 TEJ9X101 and ear level is 0%. Remaining life is 100%. Click like and subscribe button to unlock future content. PCI read device, memory, onboard video, audio, USB passed without any issue. Common issues and symptoms option number 2, blue screen with error, operating system/Windows halts or will not load. Test completed and all components tests passed. Now let's perform system tests. The system test will check hardware subsystems to assure they are functioning properly. Select the fast test to perform a fast check of the hardware. Select the extensive test to perform a full check of the hardware. The extensive test may take 2 or more hours to complete, so let's perform fast test. Click button fast test to begin component test process. Here no issue on any hardware components, so let's perform extensive test for deep check. Once completed all hardware components test completed, Click Exit button to close the hardware test windows. Click like and subscribe button to unlock future content.